So you think the Leno's getting here soon, mate?
Yep, I'm really excited. It should be here in the next few minutes to take us to his house.
I assume his house. It might be somewhere else.
Yeah. Anyway, it's going to take us in the next few minutes, so it should be here.
Should be exciting.
What's that? Oh,
he's not well.
How can he not be well?
Well. Oh, well, maybe another day then.
Well, sure. He might watch this, so we should explain it.
We should use this camera device to dedicate video to him.
So the first thing is to establish who is him.
Yes, it is not the one who should not be named.
It's Simon Cowell.
Yeah.
Hi Simon, how are you doing?
Hi Simon,
you right?
Good. Yeah. So Simon, he found us, and he.
Yep. Simon Cowell. He loves us, Clever Cracker Squared. He loves us. He loves our hats. He loves our clever jokes. He loves us.
Yeah, and he wants to invest in us, sort of like a Dragon's Den sort of type thing.
Yep.
Like he did the Teletubbies. He owns those. Did you know that?
Yep. He's going to give us our own brand of toast.
Yep. It's going to be great.
So Simon, what we're going to do for you today, I don't know if you know, you probably know, you're a very clever guy.
Yeah, but if you don't know, we're going to tell you how your immune system works in general, so you can get better faster.
Yeah, I'm going to give you an overview of what we need to know for our exam.
Yeah, so to start with, we're going to draw you, Simon.
Yep, it's a picture of you, Simon. There's your head.
There's your head, this is your body. You're very thin at the moment, Simon. That's not healthy.
No, you should definitely eat more.
Yeah.
Don't sign us for anything arty, please.
No, because we we did a minion once, that was good. So, this is you, Simon, and the biggest offence, to start with, I've seen something.
Yes, I've seen you on those TV shows you're in those times.
Yeah. You have skin.
You have skin, this is a good thing. It's not unusual to have skin.
Yeah, it's not unusual to have skin. And that's your first offence. Bacteria can't just fly through it.
Yep, and that covers most of your body. It's entirely covering most of your body, but you do have some gaps.
You do, but that's normal. That's okay, because you have, first, to offer us, you spoke to us.
Yep, you have a mouth. Now that, in itself, is somewhere where bacteria could get in. Whether when you eat food, you might have bacteria on your food. Or airborne bacteria, where it might get in when you breathe through your mouth.
Yeah, and to prevent this getting any further, you have saliva, and this is slightly acidic, and that will get rid of the bacteria.
Right above that, you have your nose.
Yep.
Everyone has a nose.
And you breathe in that as well, so not only is there the hairs to prevent larger particles from getting in,
yep.
There are also, your nasal passages will have other things such as mucus to sort that out.
Yep, so I'll sum it up with nasal. Bacteria is unlikely to get in through your nose.
Yeah. Above that, you have eyes, so you're watching us here, son.
Your eyes are very elongated here. Please don't sign us for anything after.
No, but your eyes are good, and if you've got something in your eye, you'll notice your eyes water a lot. That's not just because your eyes are sad, it's actually a defence in a way.
Yes, your tears again are slightly acidic and they can kill the bacteria on the surface of your eye so it doesn't get through the gaps, it doesn't invade your eye.
And that's a bonus. And finally, you have ears.
That's how you're hearing us, that's how you hear people on the X Factor.
Yeah.
And that's how you say no.
It's a no from me.
It's a no from me. That's how you say that.
So in your ears, you have got earwax. You can't avoid that. But that's actually helpful. That can trap and kill bacteria and stuff.
So that's sort of the external. That would have what stopped you from getting ill, but you are ill.
You are, so they must have got past that.
Yeah, which is difficult, but not impossible.
And they get through, and then your body kicks off the immune response, isn't it?
Yeah, so the immune response is a massive thing. We go in more detail in future videos. We probably won't address all of the videos to you, Simon, because you'll be watching them anyway. So you've got the immune response that happens inside your body.
Now there's two main types of this, isn't there?
There's non-specific and specific. Now, non-specific is instant. As soon as the bacteria gets in, your body tries to fight it with this non-specific immunity.
Yeah. So is an immediate change there.
Non-specific, it doesn't matter what the bacteria is. If bacteria is detected, it will try and fight it with this.
Yeah, but it is not as effective as specific.
Yes, now specific takes a little bit more time, and we understand why in future videos, but specific it's not immediate, it takes a little while. And that's the one that will eventually kill the stuff. So,
it's said to be delayed. Each one has different segments.
They do indeed.
So in our non-specific, we have
inflammation.
Yeah, you always, when you get a cut or something, you'll get swelling and stuff. That's not just to be hurting and annoying. Your body's actually putting loads of white blood cells there to fix that.
Yep. Then you've got phagocytosis.
Yep, and that's actually, we'll get into that later, that's actually engulfing bacteria, actually removing it entirely. And finally you have antimicrobial proteins.
Antimicrobial.
And that's just the stuff you have in your body, like lysozymes, and these all removed things. But we'll go into those in the next video in a bit more detail. Then,
Specific, and that's divided up into two in this overview. You've got,
so we have two different types of cells, really.
Yep, you've got B and T cells, and we go into them when we do the specific immunity video.
And the B cells, they produce your antibodies.
Yes. So this is sort of an overview of what happens when the bacteria gets in your body. This is the reason why, if you get poorly, you don't stay poorly forever.
But the thing that helps you in all of this are white blood cells, aren't they?
Yes, you should know from GCSE, and Simon, being a genius as you are, you'll know.
You'll know that. There's not just B and T, they actually form into a different group.
Yes.
So you have to know about what sort of...
Sort of related to this.
Yeah. What sort of white cells there are.
Yes.
So there's three main types, and then there's some other ones. But first we have neutrophils.
Neutrophils.
Now these are involved a lot in phagocytosis, and there's about 70% of those.
70% of those. There's a lot of them. A lot of the sort of white blood cells in general are neutrophils.
Yeah.
And they can get through the capillaries.
They can,
and they just engulf bacteria.
Which is what phagocytosis is, but we'll get into the next video.
Yep.
Then we have lymphocytes.
Lymphocytes make up less, obviously, so make up 100%, it's going to make up less.
Yeah, that's 24%, and these are the B and T cells. These are the specific immunity things.
Yeah, so we get onto that in more detail later, but 24% of your white blood cells make up B and T cells.
Yep, and then there's 4%, which do monocytes.
Now this is an example of macrophages. Again, they get through the capillaries just like the neutrophils, but they're a lot more specific, and they're called macrophages as an example.
And there's less of those, 4%. And the remaining 2% are just other types of white blood cells, but they're all quite short-lived. These are the main ones.
Yeah. So these can all survive in your body, and if you get the same bug again, the same bacteria invading again, you'll be quicker the next time at fighting it off.
So you probably won't even notice that you have been infected, because your body will get rid of it so quickly. So you're ill now, but you're actually feeling is your immune response doing stuff.
Yes, so Simon, if you get this illness again, you don't need to cancel on us.
You'll be fine.
You'll be fine.
Yeah. So that in mind,
we'll see you shortly, Simon.
Yeah.